Hello, my name is Reza Medianeza. I'm in 2018 cohort and I took 2 months to work on my BA degree, and I as well have a work study in where I work as a communication and missions assistant. Uh, in this video, I'm going to it's a brief summary or a reflection of how it went during my AA journey. Uh, I'll start by saying 3 to 5 strategies that helped me to complete my CFA project. The first strategy is avoiding procrastination. Like if I have planned to do this and this, I did it immediately. And then the second strategy is being on time. The third strategy is being able to mark tasks because I had a lot of tasks to do. And then the fourth strategy is seeking support from other students and in our cohort or other cohorts. And the fifth one was to work collaboratively with my CFA advisor. I can as well talk about the the challenges that I met. The first challenge were some projects that I didn't major in during my high school. So it was hard for me to work on those projects because I didn't have enough information about the projects. And then another challenge was sometimes a lot of not yet, which could seem to be discouraging for some of the students. I'm also going to talk about the question which asks which project was considered to be more challenging and which one was easy. The first project that was considered to be very challenging was the project called Water Everywhere under the goal called Consider the Environment. The reason why this project was very hard for me is because I didn't do chemistry in high school. So it wasn't easy for me to combine those terms and then work on the project. The easiest project was Own Your Career. This is because most of the deliverables that are asked in this project were studied during the module called Job Readiness Curriculum. And then continuing, there is another question which asks, how did the Kepler curriculum help you to complete your AA program? Kepler curriculum, of course, is flexible. That is why it helps us. It helped me to complete my AA program. And the system of having academic advisors who help students to work on their CFA projects, keeping them on track, knowing where they are reaching, knowing their competencies, where they are struggling, helping them to prepare for the panel reviews was very helpful for me during my AA program. So briefly, the way they are flexible, the way we take modules when we want, the way the CFA advisors help me to accomplish this AA program. Another question is, discuss any 3 to 5 skills learned from CFA projects and how I'm applying them in the current internship work study or job. And as I have said, I only have a work study at Kepler. So from my CFA projects, I was able to learn different skills. First of all, I was able to multitask. So this is being applied in my work study because I can do different tasks at the same time. Secondly, I was able to manage all the time that I had. So I gained the time management skills which are helping me to meet different deadlines. I learned communication skills because we could communicate to our CFA reviewers, and then knowing the tone, knowing the way you could present yourself to have your problem solved is being helpful for me in my work study. Another skill that I got is working independently. So I was able to work collaboratively with different groups. Now, after doing the CFA project, I was able to work independently. Because we could sit alone as it was the self-paced program. And then now, if I'm given different tasks, I can be able to sit alone and work on them on my own and be able to have it on time. So, nextly, I will talk about The question says, referring to your learning from CFA projects, what are the possible careers do you plan to join the future, and how you think the skills acquired will help you to embark on the careers? So firstly, I plan to major in logistics and operation. So it's all about the management of arts. So the skills learned from CFA projects will help me to pursue my career. As I have said, there are different skills that I was able to learn, including communication skills, being able to work both collaboratively and independently, being able to seek for support, being able to give and receive feedback are different skills that were learned in CFA that will help me in the workplace, or that will help me pursue my career as a logistician. So the skills learned from CFA are really helpful because I will be applying them in different places, in different workplaces, as I have said previously that they help me in the current work study. And then what's the next question asks, what's your panel reviews experiences and how did you manage to fulfill its requirements? First of all, before every person do the panel review, it's always difficult, it's always scary. You feel like you're having fear of sitting for the panel review. So for the first time before I sit, I felt scared, and then during the panel review, I was able to calm down and work on and be able to answer questions that the panelists were asking. I managed to overcome the way I was fearful by being confident. So the experience that I got from the panel review is that you should be able to speak publicly and then gain an experience of being self-confident, because if you're not confident in yourself, no one can be confident in you. So the best skill or the skills that I learned in the panel reviews or the experience that I have is to always be strong and confident, and then have content enough. You should get prepared. And then lastly, which learning advice would you give to new students who are to start AA program in order for them to maximize the learning from CFA projects? So the advice that I can give to students who are starting their AA program is to always work harder and have the goal of the day or goal of the week, instead of having big goals like the goal of the month. It's better to set the goal for a day and say, maybe today I will have these competencies, and then be able to avoid peer pressure so that you can work harder, and then seek for support where it seems to be harder. Thank you for listening to me. I hope this will be helpful to different students. Thank you.